Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use LM Studio to run large language model directly on your own computer. So it doesn't require no coding, no terminal and no complex setups. So by the end of this video, you will know how to download LM Studio, install and run LMS locally like LLMA and Mistral and Grima. So you can chat with them offline. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in LM Studio website and this is the platform. So first of all, you need to understand what is LM Studio. LM Studio is a free and user-friendly desktop app that lets you run open source language models locally on your machine. There is no required internet or no GPU needed, but faster if you have one. Works on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Perfect for developer, researchers or anyone who wants to privacy focused AI tool. So I hope you understand what is LM Studio. So the process is really simple. Here you can see when you visit all this platform, this link, there you will get the option for download LM Studio. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then they will give the application over here. As you can see, I already installed it here and this is my application in here. As you can see, if you go further, then you will get further more to know about this one. You can see the developer docs option where you will find out how this app's really created and why you need to be use this one. Like you can see the key functionality. A desktop application is running on local MMS and a familiar chat interface, search and download functionality, and a local server that can listen on OpenAI like endpoint system for managing local models and configurations. So here you will get all the information. If you further scroll down, then here you can see we have the options where we can sign up with our community events, sign up for beta version and sign up for email updates. So let's go on to the application and let's see. I already installed one of these artificial intelligence, so I'm going to ask some questions to this artificial intelligence. So here I'm going to ask him what is the Shenzhen country list. Let's see, no model selected, so I need to be select a model. So I'm going to select gamma and then let's ask the questions. You need to be wait a while to here to get the result. And the main thing is it can run by locally. If your internet is not connected or your network has some issues, then you don't need to be suffer for tension. You will get the result over here, but it will sometimes takes time to get the result. So here you can see our result has been come over here. Okay, here is a comprehensive list of these area countries as of. So let's wait a bit. So finally you can see our answer has been imported in here. So this way you can use this gamma chat on your application. So you can see this is the list of the area and we got hit all of them. So let's ask what is the weather of Switzerland. Let's copy it. And it did not complete yet, that's why we're not getting, so we need to be wait a while again. So as you can see there, all this answer has been done over here. Now we are getting option to ask a new question over here. It's a like time consuming, but it is really helpful, like Google Gamma. And here you can see the list of Schengen countries and they give us some suggestion that are Cyprus, Iceland, United Kingdom currently in the processing joining. Like we get all the result finally over here. And here you can see that they give us key things to remember, that visa free travel if you're a citizen of a country that has visa free access to Schengen area, like many countries in North America, Australia, etc. You can generally travel freely between these countries for up to 19 days within any 118 days period. Border checks, while internal border checks are typically minimal, they can temporarily raise resented by individual countries under certain circumstance. And here you can see this is the option. So let's ask another questions and let's wait a bit again. So here you can see they already give us a breakdown over here, and you can see that some are seasonal breakdowns and general characteristics. So we will get all the answer over here like the chat GPT one. And here is the main thing is you have options like developer. You can develop a thing in here. Also you can get models, like you will find out further models here, just discover. And here you can see similarly like other chat options for artificial, we have ps for mini. If you click over here, then you will get the option for download it for this uses. Here you can see you can download it. You can here the light will open model from pu4 family built-in synthetic reasoning dense data and further pointed. And we have other like 1.71 that's called queen, and it also like similar with this chat. Let's install one of them and let's try it, this one. And as you can see it has been started the download, so we need to be wait a while to complete the download. So eventually you can see our download has been complete over here. Now we are able to use this new chat. Just click over here, and here you need to be select your chat option from that place. So here we have now two options, one is gamma and another one is queen. So I'm going to select the queen, and here I will use the current model, and I will ask questions that give me a line in, let's ask for something. What do you think? What is your opinion about Netflix? And let's hit the enter button, and again it will take a while, so we need to be wait a bit. So you can see processing the prompt. So my question was what is your opinion about Netflix? So they will give me the options. As you can see it working, and you can see it is now in thinking process. So you can see the result. If I visit this application website, here we have options for documents. Let's go and read the documents over here. Here you can see how to install and system required. Then let's find out something which will be running locally. Here you can see the download LLM to your computer, load a model memory, open the model folder, and here chat open. Once the model is loaded, you can start a back and forth conversation with the model in the chat tab. And here we have the community. If you want to add the community, you can add into the Discord server, where you will can connect it with the developer who built this platform. And let's check this out. Yeah, you can see that it already give the answer over here. Global reach diversity. Netflix is a globally renowned streaming platform that has revolutionized how people consume entertainment. Here is a balanced perspective, strength of, like they are giving their own opinion on it. So in this way, if you are a researcher or you are a content creator or a freelancer, then this platform or these apps will be a blessing for you. You can generate your script, you can work with your research on this, you can do whatever you want, and it is really safe and proof. Like it is offline, you can use it in offline, so you can use it as many as you want. So there is a no token, or like I can say point not relay. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful and informative, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.